Hey team, Carl here, Red Beer Recipes. Been a bit of a delay on this one. Had some audio issues, but this one is one of my favourite dishes. It's Moreton Bay Bugs grilled on the barbecue. Easy, simple recipe. Again, one from over Christmas, so got put to work pretty well.
I'm packing my bags.
Hope you like it. Enjoy, and let's get you started.
That's the stuff!
Okay, so bay bugs. You'll probably have seen me cook these before. They are one of my favourites. And imagine something between a prawn and a lobster. That's what we're doing. So give them a good wash. If you see any eggs on there as well, you can use them and you can eat them as well. Quite sweet. A little bit of garnish. I'm going to take all those eggs off and keep them on one side. Next, we're going to cut them in half.
She was my half sister, so I cut her ass in half.
So straight down the middle. Take a bit of effort and a little bit of weight on there. We're then going to give them a rinse again. Get all the poop shoots out. Any bits that you don't really like, any bits of shell that have snapped in, get them all rinsed out as well. Making a garlic butter here. Drizzle of olive oil so that the butter doesn't burn too quick. Got 4 cloves of garlic diced up. And I'm going to put in a teaspoon of sage, a teaspoon of parsley, and a teaspoon of dill. And I've got about 150 to 200 grams of salted butter. Chuck that in as well. Make sure that your grill is hot. And I'll put the pan with the butter in straight on top of there. Let's get it going. Give it a bit of stir. Make sure it's all mixed in and the garlic's fried off. I'm going to lay down the bugs, meat side down, just for a few minutes. Flip them over. I'm going to baste all of the bugs with the butter. Make sure they're nice and coated. With a little sneaky side of snapper there as well. Lid down for 5 minutes or so. Then baste them again. Later on just to finish them off. And you're good to serve. So a super quick one there, guys. Give me a like if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one.
We've only got one.
Ta-ta and farewell.